Welcome to the AFT Trenches Limited HW60 Operator Training Presentation. The HW60 is designed and built to trench under many different working conditions, including hard rock and concrete. This video presentation is in 4 sections: attachment components, safety procedures, inspection and maintenance, trencher operations. Please note that without proper handling, regular inspection and maintenance, the trencher will not provide optimum performance. And please remember that this video only gives a summary of selected portions of the user manual and parts book. More detailed information can be obtained by referring to the user manual. The user manual should be carefully read prior to installation and operation in order to avoid any problems occurring due to the handling and operation of this trencher. Section 1. Attachment components. The main body, which carries all the other equipment. The outer body, which defines the depth of the trench and serves as a protector from flying debris. The depth cylinder. Hydraulic motor. The digging wheel with its holders and bullets. The side shifting unit to trench along the side of the road. Supporting legs. The trench cleaning crummer. The countersunk bearing. The side shifting cylinder. The manifold block to ensure hydraulic oil comes to the motor. The main valve block to electronically control the hydraulic cylinders. The lock valve to keep the depth cylinders at the adjusted position. And on the digging wheel, the holder and the bullet. Section 2. Safety procedures. This section displays all the protective equipment you require when operating a trencher and shows you the relevant pages of the user manual, including the warning stickers on the machine. Section 3. Inspection and maintenance. Before starting work, the attachment should be checked visually by walking around it. Welding seams should be controlled against cracks. Nuts and bolts should be checked and tightened where necessary. Holders and bullets should be checked to see if none are missing or broken. Bullets should be controlled to ensure they turn in the holder. We remove bullets by using a special tool with a hammer. We install bullets by using a special pipe and a hammer. Here we show the greasing point for the countersunk bearing. Section 4. Trenching Operations. Attaching the trencher to the base machine. Place the lock pins in the disengaged position. Make sure the outside of the skid steer attach is aligned with the inside of the coupler. Continue to move forward until the skid steer coupling makes contact with the trencher coupling. Raise the skid steer arms until the top of the skid steer coupling connects to the top latch bar on the attachment. Engage the lock pins. Support legs should be shortened and secured after attaching the trencher. Connecting the hydraulic hoses. Relieve the back pressure in the auxiliary hydraulic system and move the coupler pins to the engaged position. Starting the trenching operation. Bring the outer body to the maximum closed state by retracting the digging wheel completely. Hold the wheel a little above the ground and tilt the body forward so that earth fragments cannot scatter easily. Start the cutting process by gently touching the ground with the wheel. Caution must be observed at this moment. To avoid putting unnecessary pressure on the wheel in a newly opened trench, move forward slowly while lowering the digging wheel into the ground. When the outer body touches the ground while slowly moving forward, adjust the required trenching depth with the aid of the depth cylinders. Advance by moving the machine forward. To set the outer body at ground level, adjust the carrier machine so that the front wheels are raised from the surface slightly. Increase or decrease the speed to find the most appropriate cutting conditions. Maintain speeds where the digging wheel turns easily. Do not remove the wheel from the trench before stopping the rotation. When the required distance has been achieved, stop the forward movement of the carrier, Then, using the depth rams, raise the position of the digging wheel back to minimum depth. Stop the wheel rotation fully, then raise the trencher. Please ensure that the engine has been stopped and the ignition key removed. For the hydraulic hoses, it is important to relieve the hydraulic pressure in the system by moving the base machine's control levers. When the attachment will stay on the ground, the support legs should be extended and secured with pins. The attachment can roll over if not left on a flat surface. The trencher can be placed on the ground using the two supporting legs and the digging wheel. Detaching the attachment. Position the attachment on an even and spacious surface standing on its wheel and two legs. Disconnect the hydraulic and electrical connections at the quick couplings provided. To disconnect the hydraulic lines, pull back the outer sleeve. Detach the attachment from the carrier machine. Thank you for choosing our hydraulic attachment trencher HW60. AFT Trenchers Limited is available for any further assistance required. We wish you to have a productive and enjoyable experience with our trencher. Have a nice day.